Okay, here we go. I checked the oil. We're a little above halfway between the min and max, so we are definitely good on oil. It's actually sitting at an angle, so it's probably 3/4 exact on level ground. This oil cooler is leaking coolant. Unfortunately, my pressure tester adapter is not big enough for that reservoir. But believe it or not, this lady says that this engine sounded better after we put oil in it, and yeah. Please tell me I'm not hallucinating and that's rod knock, because it fucking sounds like rod knock to me. Fucking sounds like rod knock to me. And here's the under. Sounds louder, don't it? Yeah. Let's put some gas. I think it needs an engine.